Alright, 2005 Nissan Murano. I had done a video a while back about a no stop when the vehicle was hot or up to running temperature. And I've researched 1,000 forums. Could not quite get a good answer. This vehicle was taken to Nissan dealership itself, and they found nothing wrong with the vehicle. And what we would have is you would take the car out, it would start cold, it would drive around, it would come up to running temperature. I would park, say go into a store, and come out 5 minutes later, try to start the car, it wouldn't start. I would turn it over, it would turn over, it wouldn't catch. So then I had thought it was something sensor. So what I did was I would go out, I would pull the temperature sensor switch, the harness, and then after 3 or 4 tries it would start up, it would hesitate, and then it would run. Showed no code other than me. When I pull that temperature sensor switch, when I pull the harness, it would show a code. On these cars, there's no way to test fuel pressure on the fuel rail because there isn't a port, not that I could see. Like I say, Nissan couldn't find anything wrong with it. What they did was they took out the plenum and cleaned the plenum. They said there was a carbon buildup, and these cars are known for having that issue. But it was something altogether different from what they said. It was not electrical, it was mechanical. So as you can see, I have a green key light. I turn the car on to ignition. The actual temperature comes up. The car's been warm. It fires off. The only thing I have is that flashing air light, airbag light. That's been on for a while, but it starts now. So if you're having this issue, and there's a couple of videos online where it shows a guy starting the car and then he wants your email address to tell you what the problem is, I am going to tell you it was the fuel pump. The check valve on the sending unit was faulty. It was losing its prime, and it wasn't getting sufficient pressure after a warm run. And by me pulling the temperature sensor to get it to start, the ECM would read it as a cold start. It would adjust the timing accordingly, and the car would start. So if you're having this problem, have your fuel pump checked. And hope this helps people, anybody. And I'm not going to be a dirtbag like this other guy and trying to get your email address and spam you out. And it was shady. So that's what fixed this vehicle, was a fuel pump. If you're having this issue, 2005 Nissan Murano, 3.5 liter, hard starting when it's hot. Have your fuel pump checked or changed, and it seemed to fix the problem here. Alright guys, have a good day.